like to talk to you about how Admix can use its tomato market expertise to improve your process, help you save money, and improve your products by using less expensive pastes by utilizing the Boston Shearmill. Many customers have problems with their tomato paste standardization in that it takes too long and the end product is a poorly mixed tomato paste. Inconsistent concentrations, inconsistent colors, and inconsistent product quality. The Boston Shearmill can be used for tomato paste finishing, especially in products such as barbecue sauce, ketchups, tomato sauce, where by merely milling the product we can improve the sheen and improve the viscosity and improve the Bostwick. This can be done without any modifications in your recipes and yet having a higher quality product result. Admix can take a coarser paste, such as an 060 or an 075, and with the use of the Boston Shearmill, refine that to higher quality paste, such as 045 and even better. The Admix Rotosolver can be used for paste standardization, where an entire tote of tomato paste can be standardized in under 5 minutes, while maintaining complete blends without any lumps or clumps or undissolved paste. Like many of our other customers, we invite you to take advantage of the Admix trial program, where Admix equipment will be brought to your facility and used with your people and on your products and in your process so that you can evaluate for yourself the return on investment and the product quality and the product improvement that can be maintained from the use of Admix equipment. So if increasing yield, cutting cost, and improving product quality are important to you, call us and we'll show you how to put Admix expertise to work for you.